Do you know the Hungarian alphabet? In this video series, I'll walk you through all the letters and sounds you need to speak Hungarian clearly. Hello everyone and welcome to Hungarian with Adriana. This is the final part of our 4-part mini-series on the Hungarian alphabet. In the first video, we looked at the consonants that look and sound exactly the same in English and Hungarian, like B, D or F. Then, in part 2, we covered the consonants that look the same but are pronounced differently in Hungarian, like C, J or S. And then in part 3, we explored the unique Hungarian consonants that don't even exist in English, like Ch or Y. I'll link all 3 previous parts in the description below in case you missed them. Definitely watch those first if you haven't already. Now, in this final part, we're diving into the vowels, and Hungarian has 14 of them. But don't worry, that doesn't mean 14 completely different characters. They are based on the 5 vowels from the Latin alphabet, A, E, I, O and U. But they can appear with little marks above them, like acute accents, double acute accents, or even 2 dots called umlauts. These small marks change how the vowels sound, and understanding them is key to speak in Hungarian clearly and naturally. So let's jump in. The first vowel is A. A. Similar like in the English word father. A. The word for alcohol in Hungarian is alkohol. Alkohol. Next we have its pair, A. A. It's more open than A. A. And the word for April in Hungarian is április. Április. Next is the vowel E. E. Like in the English word get. The word for elephant in Hungarian is elefánt. Elephant. And its pair is E. E. Like in the English word day. E. The word for I in Hungarian is én. Én. Or the word for okay in Hungarian is oké. Oké. So these 2 vowel pairs don't only differ in length, they actually sound completely different. So A, E. But the remaining vowel pairs have the exact same sound, it's just one is short and one is long. So next we have the vowel I. I. Like in the English word in. The word for information in Hungarian is információ. Információ. And its pair is E. E. So it's the same sound as I, just longer. E. The word for Irish in Hungarian is ír. Ír. The same thing happens in English too, because there are words like leave and live, or seen and sin, or beach and the other one. So I, E. The next vowel is O. O. It's short. O. The word for opera in Hungarian is opera. Opera. And its pair is O. O. Again, same sound as O, just longer. O. The word for ocean is óceán. Óceán. The next vowel is Ö. Ö. This sound doesn't really exist in English. Maybe when you say her or curl, similar, but it's a bit more round in Hungarian. Ö. Ö. The word for 5 in Hungarian is öt. Öt. And its pair is ő. Ő. So again, same sound as ö, just longer. Ő. And the word for he or she in Hungarian is ő. So ö is not just a letter, it's also a word by itself. The next vowel is u. U. And the word for universe in Hungarian is univerzum. Univerzum. And its pair is ú. Ú. The word for road or way in Hungarian is út. Út. Or the word for tourist is turista. Turista. The next vowel is ü. Ü. Like in the French déjà vu. Ü. Try to say the word ill with pursed lips and say ül. Ül. Then you'll get the sound ü. The word for bottle in Hungarian is üveg. Üveg. Or the word for menu is menu. Menu. And lastly, its pair, ü. Ü. Try to say the word food with pursed lips. Food. Food. And then you'll have ü. The word for space in Hungarian is űr. Űr. And that's it. You've just learned all 14 vowels in Hungarian and how to pronounce them correctly. With the consonants from the previous videos, you now know every letter and sound in the Hungarian alphabet. It may seem like a lot at first, but the more you practice hearing and saying them, the more natural they will feel. If you haven't seen the first 3 videos from this mini-series yet, I've linked them down below. And now let's finish by going through the entire Hungarian alphabet together, so you can hear all the letters in order. You can slowly repeat after me to get used to the rhythm and sounds. A, A, B, C, C, D, Z, G, E, F, G, J, H, I, J, K, L, ellipsilon, M, N, Eny, O, Ö, P, Q, R, S, S, T, Q, U, Ü, V, W, X, Y, Z, J. Q, W, X and Y only appear in foreign or borrowed words. They are not used in native Hungarian words. That wraps up our Hungarian alphabet series. I hope this helped you feel more confident with Hungarian pronunciation. If you enjoy this, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you would like to learn next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!